Today we're going to make some root tabs for planted aquariums. You use these when you don't really have like planted substrate, and they kind of look like something like that. And the brand I'm using is this Omnicoat Plus. It's pretty standard for the aquarium hobbyists. That has a good little mix of nutrients. It's high in phosphate and potassium. And then what you do is so they come in these little they're like pellets. And so I just dump some into the cap, and they kind of, they look like this. They're little beads of fertilizer. And so I just pour a good amount of these in the cap, kind of so you can take these gel capsules and you go with these and take the bigger end and you stick it in your little pile and scoop them up till they're about that full, and then pop the cap on and then rinse and repeat. I'll do this probably 20 or 30 times, fill up a good 20 capsules, and then pour the leftover fertilizer back in this thing. And then I will head over to the tank to stick them in underneath plants that are heavy root feeders. So it's important to use this for aquariums that you know have root feeders, so like Amazon swords and other heavy root feeders. And you wouldn't necessarily need something like this for like a Nubius or Java fern, because they get most of their nutrients from the water column. So those are examples of plants that are more heavily reliable, or they rely heavier on water column fertilizers, so stuff that you'd squirt into your tank. But these are great for any plants that are heavy root feeders, especially when you don't have a planted aquarium substrate like sand or gravel. And I found that I started a batch of these about a week or two ago, and the growth really skyrocketed, and the colors on some of my plants improved quite significantly. So I'll do a couple more of these, and then I'll take you guys to the aquarium where I'll put them in. Okay, so I didn't make exactly 20 of them, but I just wanted to show you the finished products. They kind of look like that when they're done, and I'll link these products down below. They're Amazon links. So these were like, this is 1,000 gel caps, and it's probably like $4 or $5. And then this is the 2 pounds of fertilizer, which is like another $7. So for a DIY root tab, this is pretty cheap, because I've seen like packets of 20 on Amazon for $5 to $10 from name brands like. And so this is a pretty cheap way to enhance the plant life in your aquarium. Okay, so this is the tank I'm going to put those root tabs in. Got them right here along with my razor blade for cleaning the glass, but I'm just going to take a pair of tweezers, and pick them up and just try to get them in there good. And these capsules stay in pretty good, but once they go in the water, they'll dissolve probably within 15-20 minutes. And these little balls will be stuck in the soil for the roots to grab onto. So I'm just gonna pick a place with like plants, so right over by, I think that's a valve. Go down there with the tweezers and stick it down under there. And then I can do it a couple more times. I would say probably 2 to 3 for these smaller plants. If you get a bigger sword, you can do more like, I do 4 to 5. And then I go in there with another one and plop it right down in there. So you probably want to put it down at not as far as you can, but there's maybe an inch or two of substrate in this aquarium, so I'd say put it down 1 to 3 inches is pretty standard for these root tabs. And then I will go around the rest of this tank kind of shoving them in there, and I can't really show you the end product because they're underneath, but I'll do a little comparison photo after a couple days and show you how it's been helping. So we're going to put one in back here. I'm just going to stick your hand down in there and show it. Oh, that one came up at the top. I'll try again. So that's one problem with having little to no substrate, is these things tend to float to the top if they're not buried deep enough. And so you have to find a spot where you can stick them in there pretty good. And this is not working for me. So we'll find another spot for it. So I just want to say thank you for watching, and this is kind of just an example of my 75-gallon tank, and I put 5 or 6 root tabs down on the bottom of this Amazon sword, and then another 5 over on that corner, and underneath all these other ones. So I want to say thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps with your planted aquarium experience, and feel free to share your results. And yeah, any questions, be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it. Thank you.